We spent the weekend in the Netherlands with our first stop being in Rotterdam. Rotterdam is home to the largest port in Europe along the Nieuwe Maas, and it is the second largest city in the Netherlands.
Welcome.
Can I come in?
You can.
That's so big.
It's huge.
Who's that tall? Who that tall?
It's almost up to my head. We made it to Rotterdam.
We made it.
Once we got to the train station, we walked over to our hotel in the Kop van Zout area of Rotterdam. Summer in Rotterdam is supposed to see the lowest wind speeds, but that was not our experience. We were practically being blown away at some points.
Waiting in line at the roommate Bruno. We should watch the movie Bruno. It's so funny.
Okay. Have you seen Encanto?
I haven't seen Encanto.
It also has a Bruno character. We should talk about
I'll
that.
trade you.
Okay.
I'll see you one and raise. Floor number one. Floor number one. From Kop van Zout, you can walk along the Rijnhavensbrug, a pedestrian bridge that leads to a museum called Phoenix, with an interesting centerpiece called the Tornado. What were we doing on that day? And also what? Dude, chill. What's your accordion? Somebody needs to stop this madman. Stop him. Stop him. Stop him.
I don't want to. I feel like it's bad juju.
Thank you. Bad juju. What do you have to say for yourself? Shortly after, we took a water taxi back to the mainland. The water taxi is a great way to get around Rotterdam, but be sure to check which lines are open on the particular day you are there, as some aren't operating all days of the week.
We took the Centrum line over to the snazzy brew pub called Vessel 11, where we had lunch. This was honestly a true highlight we can't recommend enough. It had great food, great beer, and great service.
Area is over here. So I'm honestly,
Designated keeper of the map. You probably can't hear any of
I'm
this.
such a tourist right now.
Skibidi Riz.
Pick a spot, Kev. Pick a spot.
It's dying. Afterwards, we walked around the city a bit more to see some sights. Sorry. We started with the cube houses, which is 38 cube homes designed by architect Piet Blouw. Only 3/4 of each home is usable space due to all of those angles.
From there, we went to the Markt Hall, which was opened in 2014 and houses over 100 food stalls. We took a quick stop over to the Art Depot, but managed to hit it right as it was closing. It is a 40-meter tall warehouse with over 150,000 pieces of art. I'm not even going to try to pronounce its real name.
European bean. Lastly, we checked out Het Park, which is where you can find the Euromast, an observation tower built between 1958 and 1960.
Finally, we took a stroll through one of the more affluent neighborhoods of Rotterdam, Parkland Street. Compare this to a neighborhood in Scottsdale.
It wouldn't even compare.
You don't think so? Something tells me similar Zillow Zestimate. Wait, is that for real?
Yeah, there's a sign up here. It's all in Dutch, but I Google Translate it, and it is the same one.
That's crazy.
My dad saw it and was like, "That's the New York Stock Exchange Bowl," and then I literally read the sign and it was crazy.
That's bullshit. Bull
Why
honk.
is it up like that?
Don't worry. True. Bitcoin? You think these people are Bitcoin billionaires?
Maybe. I feel like it is supposed to be like a statement about these people.
When Steph has a headache in the Netherlands,
Hollander.
we call that the Hollander.